Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti and it's time for another plan with me. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm a little behind, I'm a day behind, but that's because I'm so busy, you guys. Whew. I'm going to be leaving this week and I won't be back until like mid-April, after mid-April. So I've decided, since I'm going to be on the road so much, I'm going to go back to this lovely little road trip set of stamps that I have here. Of course, I will have my other little stamps as well. Look at this one, is the exact same. I said, oh, this one would be good. Oh, this one would be good too. I bought two of them, but I used them. So this one's like almost gone. Well, it's not almost gone. Who am I kidding? I used it because I wanted to buy another one. I got that guy and this guy. And then I think we're just going to go for it. And I chose this black and white washi because I thought it kind of like reminded me of just roads. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to just use my paper pumpkin block because it's got that nice straight edge. And get those all the way to those edges there. Now, although I have a lot of stuff to do, the things that I'm doing, I'm going to like wandering planners. So on this day, it's just going to be like travel. And then on this day, it's going to be like set up for Expo. Like, that's it. The whole day is filled with just one thing. So I'm going to be able to really put some nice stickers on here. And then, although it is busy, most of it's going to be like on the road or things like that. Or so for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, it's all going to be the Expo. I mean, I'm there from morning till night, so there's not really much to do. I don't know if I want any more washi, so I'm just going to set this off at the side. I think I am going to pull some washi here and just make this one cohesive page like that. Yeah, that'll work. All right. It always amazes me. I always think, oh, you're almost out of washi on that one. Nope, keeps on going. So let's go ahead and check out what we're gonna do. Miles of Smiles could be fun. Are we there yet? I'm definitely gonna need that. What else here? We've got Road Trip. Oh, I used that last time because it was so fun. And I cut it in half, but I think I'm going to even take this and cut that in half as well. So I'm going to grab my stickers because I'm going to be gone for so much. I think I'm probably just going to use this same set all throughout the trip. So I'll probably just do all 3 weeks in this same pattern. So I'm going to stick this here because that's when we're leaving on the road. And let's go here. I'm going to put a stop sign here on Saturday, and the reason being is because I need to make sure we're going to stop and just hang out. There we go. That'll be the last day. So I put it at the end. At that point, we're going to stop. And then, since I'm in town, my aunt's having a birthday, so I'm going to stick this one here because it'll be fun. How's that? It's just so fun, like being able to put stickers in that just have their own little meanings. So I am going to put this one because my dog will be going with, my dog will be going with me. So I have this cute little dog right here, and then they're on the road, and you guys should see, I'm packed for an expo, so tons of stuff in there. And there we go. Because really, on this day, it's all driving and then unpacking. So that particular road trip is going to end with work. Ugh. So, alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and put this one here for going places, because that is when everything starts. And this is a first convention I'll be doing, and I think I'll just be going places. That's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to get my little business started there. So this looks like it's a lot of fun, and I think I'm gonna use it. Let's see how long I want to make that. I think I'm gonna kind of just cut it right up the middle here with this little car and see if that fits. It does. It fits really nicely. And then this Sunday, again, like I said, we're going to celebrate my aunt's birthday. So it's just a day of really nothing but the one. And what else? I think really we kind of are just going to fill it in with little bits of this and that. I do not want that turnaround for sure. I actually think I'm going to be okay. I'll put this guy up here just for some color on this side, on this page. And we'll put it right there. What else? I really don't think I need to put too much of anything. Here's more of these. Definitely take this little camera, because we'll take some pictures there. And we'll stick that guy right here. Cute. Put this little guy. We'll put our location of where we'll be going right there. Look how fun this one is. And this one, oh, there we go. We've definitely got the 3 weeks of travel and the 3 weeks of this stuff here. So I'm pretty sure that's what I'm going to be doing. So now I just go and I go through my little guys here. This is my tiny. So we're going to stick that on here. Definitely need to go to the bank. So we're going to put that here. Because I plan on making some payday, or not paydays, I plan on making some sales. So we'll definitely want to have some money there. And then while I'm on my road trip, most of it's going to be in California, but I will make some phone calls to some of the different people that I want to talk to, since I'll be on the road for so many hours. It is hands-free, and I will be using my hands-free, so we are okay. Look at this little balloon. I'm going to use these little balloons here. How am I going to use these little balloons? I thought I wanted to. You know what? I'm going to go like this. And have the balloons flowing away. Even though the birthday's here, it's okay. We've got that. And I'm not going to be doing any TV watching. Maybe I'll get a little bit in on Tuesday. Catch up on some shows there. Does anybody watch Good Girls? That is a crazy show there. So I'm going to go here. And I know I'm going to have a sip and swap, and I don't remember the date, but I know this will be, oh gosh, there's going to be lots of little these guys around, because once we get into California, we get all set up. I think we're going to go do some karaoke at my cousin's bar. So when in California, that's when I visit family. So that's what'll happen. And we've got lots of color, so I'm kind of adding some black in here. Definitely coffee day there. Definitely coffee day here. We'll have we have beer there and coffee here. So coffee in the morning. I don't drink beer, but you know, it's a bar, so. And let's see. We have some post office work to do there. Mailing out some stuff that I'm doing. And then planning, we'll stick that right here. I'm also going to put this little guy that says hello friend, because I'm going to be making some cards. I'll put that right here. These are so cute. Oh, I've got to do laundry because I'll be packing. I have a feeling that Tuesday is going to be the busiest day. And of course, along with packing, I don't know about you, but I like to leave the house pretty clean when I go on road trips. That way when I come back, I just get to relax. So I've got housework on Tuesday. This Tuesday is going to be really filled up with stuff. Let's see here. I haven't been using the water ones just because I drink a lot of water. So I don't really need that anymore, like to remind me. And if I did, I'd have like a full water so I could check off all of them. So we've got that. You know, I'm going to take this little guy. Let's see. No, I don't need any of those. I'm going to do this here because I know that I will be so grateful for the expo that I'm attending. And then I'm going to be putting singing right here on my road trip, because who doesn't go on a road trip without singing? Let's see, do I have any that say crafting or anything? Oh, right here, making. There we go. This one will be fun. Get making on there. Oh, we got hustle. Gonna have to do the hustle here for sure. So I'm just putting, because I know that I'm gonna be doing just the expo and I don't need a lot of stuff, just kind of putting things that that I want. I don't know. I don't know. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say here. Oh, let's get some nails done because those nails of mine need to be done so they look pretty for the expo. We'll just stick it right here after housework. How about that? Because you don't want to do it before housework. And this is my little bag to pack. We'll stick that on. I think I was going to put it further down, but I think I don't want all that pink to be just jumbled up like that. Alrighty, we've got that. We've got that. I'm going to look real quick on here because this is a Stampin' Expo. You think there's not going to be tons of pictures going on and smiles. This is Stampin' and scrapbooking at its finest. Put snapshot right there. There will be plenty of smiles. Lots of memories being made. And friends. Oh, I'm just having so much fun here. If you can see, I'm just trying to get that memories out. I'm actually going to put memories right through this wine. Don't be afraid to overlap your stickers like that. There we go. What else? I think we're good to go here. I'll definitely send you guys a selfie. How about that? How about if I send you a selfie here? Let you see the booth, see what we're doing. How cute is that? I think that looks really cute. All right. So again, you guys, I'm going to the Stampin' Scrapbook Expo. I'm going with the Wandering Planners. Check it out. Hope to see you there. Look for my booth. It's going to be a Stampin' Up! Beauty and the Stamper booth. And I'm also going to be doing a workshop. So would love to see you there. And I'll put the link down below so you can see. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see future plan with me's or any of the stuff that I do, make sure you subscribe. I have a DIY coming up later on this afternoon, and I can't wait to share that with you. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.